Hi, how are you? Today we're cooking pizza. Freschetta pizza. I'm gonna show you just how to make a pizza on your own. Because I know how people make pizza when you purchase them on Pizza Hut and Papa John's. And it's not what you want it to be. So we have Haverty cheese. We have oven on. And we have Haverty cheese. We're gonna grab that up. We're gonna cut it, open it up. This is big piece. You open it. This is cheese. Very nice piece of cheese. We've been working very hard for this piece of cheese. So we grab it and cut it. This piece of cheese, we cut it. Excellent. And then more piece of cheese, we also cut it. This is the fastest, the most bestest way to make a pizza. And the most healthiest way. Nobody's spitting on your pizza. We bought a pizza. It's called Freschetta. Right here, see? Freschetta brick oven. Because this is like thin crust. And you put these, salamis like this. Over here. Excellent. Just like you hairdresser. And you put these pieces over here. And you want to put in the middle. Because we have experience. We know it melts. And when it melts, it goes to the sides and you lose your cheese. So I'm putting right here. So Freschetta because very good crust. With Freschetta you get amazing crust. See? This is very big cheese. See? You're gonna put in the middle. This pizza. This is a lot of cheese. And I love cheese. And my mom loves cheese. And many people love cheese. This is how they do it. And it's gonna melt away. So you put in the middle, it's gonna melt away around this pizza. So now we have salami, Ganola, very good salami. But you can have other salami. Other salamis are also good. It's up to you how you want to make it happen. See, so now, boom, boom, bam, boom. Like that, like this, like that. We like Kroger, also Farmer's Market, but you have to have a good priced Farmer's Market. Not something, overpriced. And like this, you do very good pizza. We have the oven on 370. Not like the directions say, 400. Because you can do on 400 like it says. But you have to do faster. We don't do faster, we do better. So this pizza, see, look at this pizza. It's amazing pizza. I have cheese on it. Look at this cheese, Haverty. This is very good cheese. We have salami on it. And next, we need something else. And what we do need is olives. We're gonna put olives on it. See? We have olives right here. We're gonna put olives on the pizza. On the pizza. What else we have? Let's see. We have banana peppers. Banana peppers. See? We have banana peppers on this. Excellent. Banana peppers and olives. See, like this. Put banana peppers. And then you open the oven. 370 over there. I know you see it. 370. And we have pizza. Pizza, incredible pizza. Not just any kind of pizza. See? Boom. You have pizza. Your pizza. And your pizza better than any pizza. The pizza you make is better than Pizza Hut pizza, Papa John's pizza, any kind of pizza. The one you make is the best. And we have that in here. And we're gonna close. No more than 20 minutes. See, 11:03. Kind of late. And 20 minutes. And we're done. Thank you for watching. God bless. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. And we want you to keep watching our channel. We're going to be fishing. We're going to be hairdressing. We're going to be cooking. The best stuff. The best stuff you want to see. See? Check it out. Pizza. This is your pizza. And we make it how you want it to be made. See? Thank you so much. God bless. And please check out my channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.